Welcome to Let Us Eat Baby. Today we are going to be making a broccoli, pineapple, banana, and flaxseed powder baby puree. Flaxseed is super good for you, so it's awesome to be able to hide it into yummy fruit purees for your baby. They don't even know they're eating it. If you're doing Dr. Greger's Daily Dozen to keep track of the nutrition for your baby in just 3 tablespoons, this puree counts for 2 servings of fruit and 2 servings of cruciferous vegetables, which is the entire day's worth, and almost 1 entire serving of flaxseed powder. So if you need to add a little bit more, you can always add a little bit more to your mixture. That's the good thing about this. After you put your puree in the ice cube trays, remember to freeze it probably overnight, or you can let it sit in there for as long as you need to, and then label a gallon-sized baggie, put all the cubes in there, and keep it in your freezer. And then just take out whatever you need for the time being and microwave it starting at 30 seconds, and then about 10 to 15 second intervals after that, and stir it each time. Charlie loves this puree. He doesn't stop eating it whenever I make it for him. So hopefully your baby will too.